Hi, fourth graders. I just wanted to go over your activity for figurative language. This is a chart that I made for you. It's relatively easy. I just went over the figurative language anchor chart that I am going to show you again right now. See, and this figurative language anchor chart has the same forms of figurative language as this one. So after you listen to me read these to you, kind of take what you remember from last week and this chart and apply it to here. So what I would do is, it is raining cats and dogs. It says, well, here, let me read these to you again. Idiom, metaphor, simile, hyperbole, alliteration, personification, and onomatopoeia. The first one says, it is raining cats and dogs. So I would say to myself, well, that's funny. Does it really rain cats and dogs? Which one of these forms of figurative language would this be under? And then if you don't remember, then I would look here and I would say, which one of these things, these definitions match? Did it use like or as? No. Is it comparing by saying it is something? No. Did it say words that sound like actions, like click, hiss, buzz, roar? No. Does it give human qualities? A non-human object's human qualities? No. Is it a phrase that is meant to be taken literally? That isn't meant to be taken literally, like he spilled the beans? Yes. Or is it an exaggeration? I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. So I'm going to go with, it is an idiom because, oops, sorry, I'm just trying to fix this for you. Because it's not meant to be taken literally, because imagine if it was raining cats and dogs. Okay, so that's what I would do here. The next one says the test was as easy as pie. I remember that similes use like or as when they're comparing. So they're comparing here the test and pie. The test was as easy as pie. I think it's a simile, but I'm going to jump to my chart and I'm going to look up simile. Uses the words like or as to compare two things. Her heart was as cold as ice. That's what it is. It's a simile. So I'm going to put simile. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put simile. Oops, my goodness. There we go. I'm going to put simile there. The stars danced across the sky. Ooh, that's like something that isn't real is doing something that real people do. So it's like almost giving human qualities to something that's not real. Like stars don't dance, do they? No. So I'm going to look up here and see which one I remember that definition. Oh, here, given non-human objects, human qualities, such as the flower petals danced in the wind. Personification. Okay, so then I'm going to come here and I'm going to say personification. So I would like you to finish the rest now that I've kind of helped you along. I'll read them for you. Tom tucked, twisted, and tumbled down the hill. You have to decide, is that alliteration or whatever else you haven't used here? Metaphor I haven't used. I haven't used onomatopoeia or hyperbole. Moo, went the cow. The man was older than the hills. You are my sunshine. So you can use whatever's left, whatever you haven't used, and fill in the rest of these blanks. And if you are good at following patterns, you're going to see something that I did already for you to try and help you out. So you can fill in the rest, as well as have you refer back to your chart. Okay, hopefully it's pretty easy to follow. And being that we went over all these last week, You can scroll down and watch any of those activities again, all those videos I sent you, to make it even easier. Just try your best. Okay? And that is all you have to do.